Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to show you how to remove your factory headlight from your outer fairing. This is on a 2023.5 CVO Street Glide. If you are unsure on how to remove the outer fairing, you can go ahead and check out the link below. There's a separate removal video for that. So let's go ahead and get into the removal of our factory headlight now. All right guys, a couple tools you're going to need is a T27 Torx, an 1/8 inch Allen, 5/32 Allen, and a body pry tool. So we'll start by unplugging the headlight, and then we need to remove the wire harness from the bracket. So with your pry tool, go in here, pop these little zip tie holders out. There's one there, we got one down here, and then another one on this side. Then with this, you can just kind of set it up inside here, get it out of the way for now. Okay, so next we just need to loosen these 3 screws that hold the DRL and turn signal in. All we need to do is loosen them, and that will allow us, once we remove this one, to slide this out. So you don't have to take these 3 screws out, you just have to back them out to get this to loosen up. So once we pull this off, we can slide it out from underneath it. So go ahead with our T27, loosen these up. And then this one here that's holding the bracket, we're gonna remove. So now we'll go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. Okay, so once you have all that stuff taken out, there's going to be 2 final screws that are going to be down here at the bottom of the headlight. We will want to remove those. So now we can go ahead and slide the headlight and bracket assembly out. Before you start sliding the light out, you want to grab the fairing because it'll want to tip forward on you. Just like this. Slide it right out. So now you have your headlight removed from the outer fairing. We're going to go and remove the headlight from the actual bracket. This is going to be done with a 1/8 inch Allen. We'll pull these 2 screws off the back side here. Okay. And then lastly, with our 5/32 on both sides, there's shoulder bolts here. So we'll go ahead and take these out. And then we'll do the same thing here on the other side. And boom, your factory headlight is removed from the bracket. And now you're ready to install one of our HOGWORKZ aftermarket headlights. Coming soon.